In today's price prediction video, we're taking a look at one of our favorites, VeChain, ticker VET, which is fresh off a new all-time high set just hours ago, a few hours actually before the time of this recording. We'll be basing today's price prediction video on this write-up. We're on altcoinbuzz.io with this article by Pratik. It's based on Fibonacci analysis. You guys can join the discussion in our Telegram Trade Signals group. Now, it's never financial advice, but that is a great collective discussion you can join for things like chart analysis, technical analysis, price predictions, project updates for your favorite altcoins. I always link to that, guys, in the top of the comments. In fact, it's pinned to the top of the comments. You can also dig through our description to find out more about that, but we welcome you to that group with open arms. Check it out. Okay, so a little bit about VeChain here. As you can see right now, it's up over 15% on the day. As I mentioned, we hit a new all-time high just a few hours ago. Officially, the all-time high for VET is 17.6 cents. As I mentioned, that was set about 4 hours ago from the time of this recording, but that doesn't tell the whole story, because if you take a look at the 1 year time frame, VeChain, if you can believe it, was at 0.38 cents about a year ago at this time. So we're seeing appreciation over the course of 12 months to the tune of over 4,300%. And of course, you guys can also check out other price prediction videos here. Just go to the website altcoinbuzz.io, hover over reviews, and then go over to technical analysis. You'll see all kinds of other projects. By the way, stay tuned, Litecoin is up next. Guys, if you like this kind of content, Bitcoin, blockchain, cryptocurrency, and altcoin price analysis, then be sure to like and subscribe to Altcoin Buzz. To begin with, let's talk about why we love this project from a fundamental perspective. I talked about the other day how Theta is one of my favorites because it's addressing this absolutely explosive realm of video streaming, decentralized technology. It's just secured a third patent in that capacity. Theta is my favorite because it's addressing that industry. VeChain is another one of my favorites because it's addressing some of the most important industries in the world today that are only getting bigger and bigger and bigger. Supply chain logistics, tracking, transparency, traceability, product accountability. These things are as big as it gets, and they're getting even bigger. So VeChain was founded in 2015, and it's one of the oldest blockchain application platforms. VeChain is one of the world's leading blockchain application platforms driven by enterprise adoption. So it's one of the earliest blockchain tech companies in the space, with offices in China, Europe, the US, Singapore, and Japan. And even though this is one of the earlier projects that was ever launched, it's still appreciating very nicely because it's got great fundamentals, including multidisciplinary industries. So VeChain has supported digital business transformation use cases for blockchain solutions in industries as diverse as fashion, wine, automobile manufacturing, food safety, carbon emission reduction, and agriculture. In other words, it's extremely versatile, and the use cases are seemingly endless. There's also an easy to deploy blockchain infrastructure that is built into this platform. So VeChain is a robust and secure blockchain infrastructure featuring turnkey solutions with both software and hardware, ensuring a quick implementation for enterprises and developers. VeChain is a great partner for ecosystem expansion. VeChain's business ecosystem includes many businesses and technology partners that promote blockchain application adoption and innovation by empowering each other, creating exponential value for all network participants. Here are just some of the solutions right now that VeChain offers. In fact, there's a whole array of them on offer for enterprise level applications, including digital carbon ecosystem solutions, consumer confidence index platforms, automotive passport solutions, retail solutions, logistics solutions, liquefied natural gas solutions, digital content distribution solutions, electronic document deposit solutions, and even agriculture solutions. Again, if you're thinking VeChain, think versatile. That V may as well stand for versatile. And there's also VeChain's toolchain, which we have to talk about. VeChain's blockchain as a service, or BaaS platform, is called toolchain. And toolchain is a comprehensive blockchain platform offering diverse services. These include product lifecycle management, supply chain process control, data deposit, data certification, and process certification. With toolchain, any size business, no matter how large or how small, can utilize blockchain tech to further enhance brand perception and value, as well as to expand into new business models. All right, with all of the cheerleading and the pep rally out of the way, you can tell we love VeChain. Let's jump right into the price prediction. So as we saw a moment ago, it's been a great day. In fact, it's been a great few days for VeChain, which is currently trading VET, that is above 16 cents. The first resistance that it has recently overcome was 13.58 cents. It's done this successfully, so it's great. We've actually closed above that resistance. We've also closed above a couple of other ones, namely 14.17 cents, 15.13 cents, and 15.81 cents. We're actually, at the time of this recording, currently just below resistances of 16.68 cents. Now, the all-time high remains above that resistance, but again, for the sake of transparency and in full candor, we are above that 16.68 resistance at the time of this recording. As you guys know, cryptocurrency is volatile. We could go up, we could go down from here, but that's a key resistance level to watch. If VET can flip this resistance to support, and that's likely because, again, the all-time high we reached just a few hours ago was above that at 17.6 cents. If we can continue in that direction, we could start seeing a bigger rally towards 19.18 cents, 23.24 cents, 27.28 cents, 29.8 cents. And that's relatively conservative if you think about it, because long-term, VeChain's got an adoption use case and an argument that just can't be denied. But in the relatively near term, we're looking, again, based on Fibonacci analysis, an upside all the way up to potentially 29.8 cents. If you guys are interested in joining a deeper discussion, not only about Fibonacci analysis, but all kinds of chart and technical and price analysis, once again, join our Trade Signals Telegram group that is pinned just below at the top of the comments section. Check it out. You can also check out our other price reviews for various altcoins. Litecoin is coming up next. Look out for that in the next few days. It is imminent. It's going to be published very, very soon indeed. Let us know in the comments below, guys, what other projects you'd like to see us cover, what other price analyses you'd like to see, both on the website in article form as well as on the YouTube channel. Check out both. The resources are there and are available for you. Comment below where you think the price of VET is going to be at the height of this cycle, possibly at the end of 2021, and let us know if you hodl. Best of luck, guys, if you choose to invest. As you know, none of this is financial or investment advice, but best of luck if you do choose to invest. Stay safe, everybody, and as always, we do hope to see you again soon in our next video. Take care.